Before the opening bell, U.S. stocks trading mixed on Wednesday. This due mostly in part to the combination of household and personal products, food, beverage, and tobacco, as well as consumer durables and apparel sectors. They all traded lower. This all while transportation, insurance, and diversified financials, they were on the upside. Meanwhile, on the economic front, MBA mortgage applications, they declined by a total of 2.5% in the week ended July 13th, and the Fed releasing its beige book stating that a modest expansion in the economic activity with employment continuing to rise at a moderate pace. Now, seeing what happens after the markets closed yesterday, IBM revealing second quarter adjusted EPS of $3.08 versus $2.78 a year ago on revenue of $20 billion. Also, tech services and cloud platforms, their revenue improving by 2.3% year over year to $8.6 billion. Kinder Morgan second quarter EPS coming in at 21 cents versus 14 cents a year ago on revenue of $3.43 billion. American Express announcing second quarter EPS of $1.84 versus $1.47 a year ago on revenue of $10 billion. And Alcoa reporting second quarter EPS of $1.52 versus 62 cents a year ago on revenue of $3.6 billion. Now turning overseas, the Asian markets slightly sliding throughout the session. The Nikkei, that is down a total of 0.13%. The Hang Seng also down 0.38%. China's CSI 300 down a total of 0.09%, while Korea's Kospi, that managed to slide a total of 0.34%. European markets, they're in consolidation, and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have Bank of New York Mellon second quarter EPS seen at roughly $1.02, while Philip Morris International second quarter EPS seen at $1.23. On the economic dock at 8:30 in the morning, we had the combination of both initial and continuing jobless claims figures, as well as the July Philadelphia Fed business outlook. 10 o'clock in the morning, we have leading indicators. Now, the SP 500 in terms of the markets is where we begin. An intraday that sees caution, and it's also in focus this morning as the relative strength index is mixed and calling for caution. Long positions above 28.09 are favored with targets at 28.14 and 28.18 in extension. At the same time, the NASDAQ, that sees a bullish bias, and the Dow Jones also sees a bullish bias, this time above the amount of 25,090.